This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your camera not working on your Samsung phone. First thing you want to do is open up the switcher. So if you press this button, or you can just swipe up a little and you'll see all these different applications. You want to close all your different applications down. Sometimes a different application is using your camera already, and that's why when you go to the camera option, it doesn't work. Someone's already using it. So it could be like Snapchat, Facebook, or something like that. Then also go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down to apps. Click this, locate camera. So let's find the camera under here. Here's the camera. We can tap that. Then we try force stopping it. And then open it back up here. So that still doesn't work. Going down to storage. Clear the cache. Try opening it up. That doesn't work. Go to clear data. Or just do everything I'm doing right now. All at once. Once you clear the data, go back. Then we go to open. And our Android phone camera should work now. Now it's going to ask you about the storage location. You can put on your SD card or your internal storage. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.